the long vowel sound O, okay? O, O. So O and W together can make the O sound. O, O. But usually, it does usually make the ow sound, just so you know, in words like cow, okay? Or how. But yes, this can make the O sound as well. So let's put this O sound into some words today. The first word is snow. S-n-o, snow. Okay, sn-o, s-n-o, snow. S-n-o, snow. I hope it will snow in the winter. I do love the snow. So yes, we have two adjacent consonant sounds and we want to blend them quickly together to make a sn sound. Sn, sn, sn-o, snow. Okay, 4 letters, 3 sounds there. Okay, so let's go into our next word with the O sound, which is yellow. Yellow. Y-e-l-o. Yellow. Y-e-l-o. Yellow. The colour yellow is quite a calming colour, quite a cool colour. Okay? Y-e-l-o. Yellow. Okay? So, how many letters does yellow have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds does yellow have? Y-e-l-o. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds, but 6 letters. Therefore, yellow. Super. So, last one for this O sound, the uncommon O, is shadow. Shadow. Okay? Shadow. Sh-a-d-o. Shadow. Sh-a-d-o. Shadow. Okay? You can see my shadow from the light above me. The shadow here, the shadow on the board. Sh-a-d-o. Shadow. Okay? Shadow. Super. So let's go through them all again together. Say it with me like always, so you're practicing these sounds. O, O, snow, sn-o, snow. Yellow, y-e-l-o, yellow. And shadow, sh-a-d-o, shadow. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.